How to download Fortnite on your Android phone. Now in order to download and play Fortnite in your Android phone, you just simply need to get Epic Game Store at very first. In order to get Epic Game Store, simply go to your browser and search for Epic Games or Epic Game Stores. And after that, this first page from store.epicgames.com will appear. Just simply open this link and download Epic Game Store app from their official website. And after downloading the application, install it and log into it and open the application. Now from here you will get this page, and now search for Fortnite in here. Just simply type Fortnite and this Fortnite option will appear. Now in order to download and play Fortnite, tap into this button and then you can enable the notification if you want, otherwise you can leave it, and the process will start. And when the process completes, your Fortnite will be downloaded and you can play it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.